Hi friends, today we are going to be discuss one of the main topic that is a hypertension. Actually, it is correlated with clinical nutrition point where it's may consider as a nutritional disorders also. Because although you are the much concentrated study about the what is a causative factor for the hypertension, HTN, there's a major risk for the cardiovascular diseases, and it's a most common public health problems today now. It's a silent killer, and it's a major health relevant problem even though in India also. The heartbeat we are auscultating the heart sound. The first heart sound will be that's a lup, 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 lup. It's a systolic sound, and we can heard by the function of the physiological function of the heart, that is a heart contraction, and it's push out the blood throughout the body. That is a lup. And the first sound lup we heard. The systolic sound, it we also say that it's the systolic sound. The denote higher range of the pressure called the systolic blood pressures. On second sound, that's a dup. It's occur by the physiological function of the heart. This is a diastolic sound. It's we heard by auscultation. The heart is going to be relaxation. The heart must and heart pulled into the blood enter in the chambers of the heart. The classification of the blood pressure we can classify in adult. That's a 120 about 80 mmHg will consider as a normal and optimal blood pressure. The 120 to 129 and 80 to 84 85 the pre-hypertension or it's a normal consider. But the systolic and diastolic, the systolic 130 and diastolic will be added to the 89 or 90. It will consider borderline hypertension or pre-hypertension. The more than 140 and 90 mmHg, that will consider the hypertension. The stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3 further classify the hypertension. The stage 1 hypertension 140 to 159 and diastolic is a 90 to 99 mmHg. It will consider as a hypertension stage 1. The stage 2 hypertension, that's a 160 to 179 and diastolic is a 100 to 109. It will consider hypertension as a stage 2nd. The stage 3rd is a 180 systolic and diastolic 110. That will consider the hypertensive stages. Third, there is a many causes for it. The further we go for the classification, that's a primary hypertension and secondary hypertension. The high blood pressure in absence of the underlying, that's a benign hypertension and the malignant hypertension. On second hand, the secondary hypertension, elevated blood pressure or hypertension will occur due to cardiovascular hypertension, endocrinial hypertension, renal hypertension, neurological hypertension, and pregnancy-induced hypertension. The diseases, hypertension, cardiovascular hypertension will lead by through the cardiovascular diseases. The many condition in the endocrinology also hypertension will be occur. In renal disease, acute renal failure or chronic renal failure, it's in the prime indication for symptoms in the renal diseases also, where the kidney going to be fail. And neurological hypertension also seen in secondary hypertensions. As per the consider with the manifesto of the hypertension, manifestation or complication, this is a due to hypertension the renal failure will be occur, left ventricle hypertrophy will occur, LVF, myocardial infarction will be occur, and cerebral hemorrhage will occur. That will lead to TIA, transition ischemic attack. The paralysis will be occur due to condition of intracranial blockage or due to intracranial hemorrhage. Here the clinical nutritional points are very important to the control the disease on the basis of the classification of the hypertensions and causes of the hypertensions. Now we go for the etiology. Etiological factor, the genetic factor also there. Polygenic inheritance, and when the environment factors are not healthy, the hypertension is the precipitate. Body weight also one of the major causes for the hypertension, that's further by through the obesity. The hypertension increase the weight and the height. Hence, those who are obese have higher blood pressure value, increase in the BMI, increase hypertension. Age. Now the hypertension also seen in the young or adolescents also. Gender, the rise the greater in the man than the woman, but after the menopause, the hypertension in female also seen. Factor they may be increased reabsorption of the sodium can cause the hypertension. Changing in the renin, angiotensin, aldosterone system of the accretion of adrenocorticoid and prolactin may affect the blood pressure. Hyperinsulinemia of obese may influence or lead to the high renal sodium reabsorption and transported, one of the cause for the hypertension. Dietary factors, sedentary life also one of the causative factor for the hypertension. Excessive calorie intake, especially saturated fatty acid or cholesterol, it's caused the atherosclerotic formation or hyperlipidemia in the blood, that will cause the hypertension. The refined carbohydrate sugar could have effect because most probably carbohydrate will convert into the fat also. Same time, if the high intake of fiber food is beneficiary for prevent the hypertension. Possibly role of the low potassium and the high sodium diet is suspected. Less calcium and magnesium diet may cause the hypertension. Today our life is very sedentary life, less exercise, stress is too much, smoking, tobacco habit, alcohol is one of the major causes for the hypertension. Obviously, either the hypertension will be occur due to high volumic pressure, sodium residence cell, edema, renal diseases, neurological diseases, endocrinological disorder in pregnancy, and in neurological disorders also causes the hypertension. Overall, our main intensity is that to how to be control the hypertension, how to be control the pressure. By through the main causes for hypertension is either deposition of lipid, cholesterol level, triglyceride, where the density or thickness of the blood will be occur, the deposition of the fat will be occur in the blood, which is the main causative factor for the hypertension. Second thing, hypernatremia also lead to the hypertension. How to be prevent the hypertension and how to be treated that hypertension will depend upon how much quantity of intake will be take and what kind of the food is essential on the basis of the physiological status of the person is important.